Guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Crocheting a basket is a great project for organizing and adding a handmade touch to your home. Here's our basic guide to get you a start. Choosing your yarn pick and yarn that's suitable for the basket purpose. Thicker and uh, stuffer yarn works well for basket, and will softer yarn is better for decorative or storage basket. So beautiful and latest ideas. Select a crochet hooks. The hook size should match the yarns and weight your chosen, and check the yarn label for recommendation and beautiful style and designs. And I have some ideas related to crochet pattern. Remember that you can customize the size, shape and color to match your perfect color preference and needs. Crocheting a basket allows for a lot of creativity, so have fun with it. Latest and new ideas. Enjoy your crochet basket. Your crocheted basket is now ready to be used for storage, organization or decoration. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing, watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention me comment